Hi everyone, welcome back to my Times Cooking Show. So today I'm going to be showing you a really delicious fried chicken steak. Now this recipe was requested by RubyRed2200. So enjoy the recipe. So first thing we're going to do is to show you how to cut the chicken, because first place you need to make sure that the chicken is at the right length and width. So you want to cut it in half. This is chicken breast. You can also use chicken thighs. Cut it all the way in half. And I'm just going to be showing you the thighs. This has already been deboned. So now we're going to make the marinade. What I have here is 3 cups of water. We're going to add in half a cup of rice wine, 1 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, and 2 tablespoons of 5-spice powder. And now we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then a generous amount of salt. Now let's mix it all together. All right, now let's add in the chicken. We're gonna let the chicken stay in the marinade for 30 minutes. So now that chicken has been marinating for 30 minutes, we're gonna take them out. So this is gonna become our batter. What we're gonna do is to add 1 cup of cornstarch. Mix that together. Now let's add in the 3 eggs. And mix it again. Okay, now it's properly mixed. I'm going to show you the batter. So here I have a 2-to-1 ratio of sweet potato flour to panko breadcrumbs, and we're just going to mix it together. Now let's dip the chicken in the marinade and then put it with the flour. That's one. Let me show you again with the chicken thighs. Okay, now we're ready to fry. So now let's start frying the chicken. First, we're going to start with the chicken thighs. So we're going to let it fry for 6 to 7 minutes, then we're gonna take it out. Okay, now we're gonna take the chicken out, drain it, put it on a paper towel, let it rest, and now let's cook the other chicken. Okay, so now for the finishing touches, we're gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper. Put these guys right here. Okay. Okay. So here you go. Enjoy the recipe. So now let's make the marinade. So hold on, I'm getting a phone call.